Guys, I hope this time it's gonna be better now. Karambo and just see network yacho. You were tana chu kids. Tana. Mira, that's ndokubhazai ndatanga futhi life ndatangiza. Umera. Umera. Iyo yacho Umera ameno. Guys, are we okay? Are we okay now? Tiri right here, guys. Are we okay? Are we okay? Are we okay, guys? Hands na Jackie Bo. Jackie no mboro vere pipo yo. Unenga uri kupi. Jackie. Guys, watanga phone ya freezer. Guys, na just zivi weni. Serious, just see. Hesi kufamba ma comments one. But muri kundinzwa ere, guys. Muri kundinzwa ere. Papa kaipanas. Phone ya ka freezer, guys. Guys, the phone yaka freezer, ya freezer futhi guys. Ya freezer futhi. But ya freezer, yaka freezer iya isikufamba ma comments. Yaka tugumira pana mai ndo pa yagumira. All right, ndakutongofamba nezviripo. Ndakufamba nezviripo. Okay, I'm calling back anjadziveva ya. Yatanga guys, inanchadzikisisi. Anchadzikisisi truly speaking guys. And chance we see let's hope each other get it. Guys, ina ndizivita kungofamba zvakadaro. Let me call anjadziva yava uye panapa tinzwe. Let me call anjadziva uye tinzwe. Chifonai bake.
This one.
Hey. Shout out to you, Jima Fana, shout out to you. Unaziva zvawaita, shout out to you. Shamwaru, uri fellow sister, uri a sister shesha, you are a sister. You are a cousin. You are a cousin. Jima Fana, big up to you. Love you. iPad has kubudisa live button. Ya dzoka opa ndati ndivhure right now. Live button idololo. Yawe isina live button. Amene zviri kuitika. Right. Hello. Andadzita dzoka futi para pareka tingomanyana tingofamba ne tinzo zviri kufamba sei.
Abanda akudrive akapenzana ndakagara kupara anyway.
All right.
But I can still continue talking to you now.
Right.
I have greeted the followers now. Because I'm going to show to Chiam. The General West Migrant Support Network. This is an organization which was formed in 2018 for the purposes of advocating for the rights of our people in South Africa. Right. Yeah, I really story that it's also we met with Madam Perky Omera, I think, in our early stage of the formation of our organization. But I know kept on for various issues who affecting them. But when we met with them, one of their schools in Montague Garden, look at some meeting every particular. Having been referred by many members who have put their kids at this school. You can check it out. Yeah, but I don't want to have now, which can now. We wanted to establish an office in Cape Town and to offer a place at one of another campus, which is in Winesburg. That's where our office is. So we tour of the school and and everything. Remember, I should say the registered organization, whoever we partner with or whomever we are dealing with, so now that our plan and then they are very run by the way. It's what can be very cool, and members, ordinary public we are able to recommend or advise fast forward, last year, she started talking about wanting to open a school in Port Elizabeth, right? You must remember that in Cape Town they've got 3 campuses. And in Pretoria, they do another one.
3 campuses. 3 campuses that's in Cape Town. Are you sure about that?
There must be 3.
Are you sure about that? Yes or no? Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you see them?
I'm sure about that.
Makama ona.
The other one, I found out but the more that you find the other one, I found out my daughter was
and that's all right. Nokuti what I know is tinoziva nya chikoro cha mumwe chemubereki wake chirikoko whereby they separated. Ayo imi mukati ma 3 campuses mukati 3 campuses dzake. All right hande. All right hande. All right hande.
That's what I'm here to talk about.
And I'm here to also ask you questions because but my question is
right? That's okay. So last year already this discussion we had them talking about it. This will be curriculum. There are schools that are run by government that have another curriculum. So we welcome the move. Early this year, I plan the issue of security. And because of internet and all, we also give back as an organization. So we also hosted pretty well, and the
Yes, go ahead, but musashaute hanzvadzi. Musashaute taure zvakanaka because vari kupopota conversation kuti muri kupopotei. Hande.
Sorry kana ndikushaute. Inyaya yekuti voice wachibura akadhakwawo.
Arakadhakwa shu hande. Vari kukudzwa, vari kutoseka, vakuseka, vari kuzvinzwa.
Handisi kungopopota pani. Alright. So, tabva tatopedza kuona ma-premises handiti. We had the privilege also at one time pameeting iyoyo kuti mumwe agent meeting wacho akaitwa naye tiripo handiti. Obviously kama ma-agents vanobva vataura zvavanoda kuda mari yakati tichiti kana zvinhu izvo zvikamitiwa, if you meet this thing then we are able to give the premises to you handiti. Madam Perky vakabva vaenda vakanobva nemapartners avo, they will come back to us handiti. In a few days or so after she had left, she called and said, we have managed to secure the 2 places handiti. As I'm speaking, we are making arrangements to make my payments of the 2 places. Good. Saka registration ngaititanga handiti.
Okay.
Kuoffice kwedu kweZimbabwe Migrant Support Network ndiko kwakataka kudzwa ma-registration na-receptionist wekuchikoro.
Alright.
Ndipo ndakatonyora message yekutanga yakanyorwa neni kugroup reZimbabweans in TE ema-platforms ese. Ndipo trust Zimbabwe Migrant Support Network takabata vanhu vakawanda handiti. They trust me, they trust the organization. You understand? So ndikavati over chikoro chakanaka chivabereki. When I put up the gaps the master payments and all those things. Apa mwana anotongoregister negesa rake refumusha kana nechitupa handiti. Inyaya yakanaka iyi. Ava vetokaifara sure here kuti nyaya iyi ndiri nyaya yakanaka handiti. Remember isusu hatina kana doubt nezvikoro zvamadam Perky because kuCape Town takawana zvikoro zvichitorekoda chero nanhasi atoziya inini. Maofisi pedu ndinotokura mumaklasi vana vachii and so people welcomed the idea and they were excited. Zvinenge maita matintroducer to this thing vanhu vavatanga kuregister handiti. Saka pane madheta akanga ataurwa pabva WhatsApp group, madheta aitaurwa avanga vachitarisira kuti chii
vanofuna chikoro.
But I know that there are issues to do with compliance that needs to be in place with the Department of Education, municipality, Jana rezoning is here, and O. So those are actually kuitiwa izvozvo. In the midst of my arrangements, SAQ-wise, Madam Perky Omera needed to, my parents vakatanga kuti ko pachikoro pasande pasi, iposaze pachikoro first. So there was a payment I think that needs to be made through as well, which was not yet paid. But nobody have a daro, and this was I think all right to withhold my payments in terms of the much paid out the existing place. And it but I don't remember someone else for the next day, Madam Perky Omera called me about in Pretoria. When it's much for the change. Manje agent at my keys kuti aratidze vanhu munhu watasangana na 11 hakuna kana one parent atoziyawo ivi ndimi vanhu vatinoziya. Can you please go munosangana na-agent nevabereki vanenge vakwanisa kuuya muone chikoro handiti. Ndikati machena ndikabula mukoti kwandoshanda ndikamhanya 11 o'clock tikasangana nemaparents akauya ndechokwadi tikaona nzvimbo iyoyo is for premise. You know?
No, I heard so.
Very nice place. And it, okay. My parents are so like that. I'm not going to go but I'm not Jesse and Nakafara. And it, now when you're angry at the whole thing, that the school must be open. But remember, there were compliance documents and processes that needed to be done. Those are cannot. And this is. Those are not that my parents last time I see Garachi update you. I'm going to go to Mambo this week. Next week, yeah, when you're going to say, she was out of the house, was zero. Shaka she was the Dabuchi. chikoro chinonoke kuvhurwa. Now, inzwa SML, inini role yandakaplay handiti of introducing parents to the school which was going to be opened, I had played. And communication between parents and the school was now there through WhatsApp platforms. Communication between would be parents, parents with children adults in the school, yanga yavako. So ndakabata chorekeza kufollow developments esendava kuto business question. Ndomo magroups ndaivemo banda ndingatombofollowa zvaiti. Because ichi vanhu vakukwasaka kutaura nemanagement echikoro.
Saka ndimbokubata muromo hanzvadzi ndimbokubata muromo. Imi sevanhu vanomirira community yePort Elizabeth handiti makaitawo here background check yekuona kuti chikoro ichi chine mapepa chiri registered here?
Yes.
Okay, and it's in atichataura zveCape Town kune chikoro cheko nyaya iri pana pande kuPort Elizabeth. Makaonawo here mapapers aizobvunza chikoro kuti chikoro chine mapepa ari registered chitori in order?
Processes yemamwe mapepa eseka was underway. And saka we didn't doubt the processes because it was underway.
But yeah, that's look, let's be honest here. You cannot sell a product. And it's paper, you know, paper in South Africa, I mean, Kuti, anogona Uda, anogona Sabuda, and whereby now we are having a case, Yakuti Vami Babeka Visa score, Vashishko Chikufurwa, as promised. And up to now, Vana Avar could Zimba, Chikora Chinakufurwa, because paperwork here, I know get a pair. And mira indikudzea judges imemisera kurve forum ye PE and it was your duty kuti mudze sezvo makanga imimi ndimoita oversee most of the things zvema Zimba and mona chikoro ichi registered here ndo chekutanga and two paperwork yavepo here yese kana yaungana paperwork motanga manje kuchiregister kuti guys chikoro cheche chuya mupinde chikoro chavepo vabereki vari kubvisa vana kune zvimwe chikoro vauzongobvisa chikoro chakufunctiona handizvo and this could blame our organization. No, and this could blame our organization and judges. The terror didn't be say. And judges didn't be say. Didn't we say and judges and this could blame our organization. But even organization we listen. Change why terror munzwe and judges. Aiwa in body pay your chance in the pay your chance. Choktaura and judges. Mawaya pano mukatimi muno mirror Cape Town of Zimbabwe. What and take a company nyamataura ndizo. Organization you kept on Zimbabwe and the Munobathana order for effect that I know in personally. And is it? No in personally I know about that, right? Sakamat even Dimata statement of Dino Mirida, Abelkatu is a truster. And it co-organization it was Chinova Siva. Those are enough Kufunza, you imagine, say organization now, but because even Dimuno Mirida community, but not following Munona, again, example, quite Mukona Jipana Julitka Panapam Coma, Mukawena product, Mimica, Mukatenge in any product, in any smell, and in the Kawena my diaries up. Do you know what you are Shinji? Vana Tenga project yo because they are taking a smell.
And it's Saga processes of all the paperwork and what is to be done were underway. And obviously through the receptionist within PE and even Madam Perky Omera would get feedback no pattern and it is. But my promises they put it from Swakat from Swakat Agazoramba there. And it's
don't the problem, exactly.
Then we became concerned.
Exactly.
And
don't Papa. Don't
now when these concerns were being raised, Agazla raised were concerned.
All right.
I raised one group for Nevan, my parents, they were with some other and it's now I don't know about my WhatsApp and
kutukana kupa social platform utokufa kujaira wako adjudge ukondo ku department ku comment section
tavijaira but kuti monitoring but yeah school kai mazwa tuna wanda shishu and it's chiko chinoitika so at one time I then called Madam Perky Omera and then she told me panga pasvika process handiti and nepanisa. You understand? So I had about 2 parents who called me but general tindatitaura kuti ndikaramendi kudzoza zvinhu mugroup because makasangana nevamwe vanhu nevana vasiku pachikoro pedu patida kugumisa vana avo handiti ndokumira kubvunza kuti muri kuona chiedza chazvo here dzechikoro izvi handiti because this question conducted me in confidence ndikavaza kuti hainini ndiri kutonyatsoona kuti zvine chiedza. It's just unfortunate that it is delayed but zvine chiedza zvinezvi.
Okay, makatotsigirawo maona chiedza
indakazvionawo kana ndakataura namadam Perky and she had told me zvandakanzwisisa. It is a person who understands processes noshanda munzvimbo dzakasiyana siyana. I knew kuti this has been a setback but obviously the school is going to be running and but that's all I was vanzwisisa. But then since that time and the chaita sekuti ivo ndofunga mapromises avaipiwa ka promise on my promise they will be maybe by Friday say that no but so that will be good man to go for and if man the area ship to go to go for boba wati to kumbro regero pawani kwa kwa tepa tukuvura next week I have a sugar I say good and I think it was premise from the promises they would be getting from probably departments they were dealing with and all and then but remember in the I would not be following all these things because I'm not in a line of communication between parents. I didn't want to really mingle and meddle in their affairs. So if you expect not to get the issue, my parents, because they're able to deal with my issues and then actually raise the one through their management and all. And now, then it came to the time my groups because of promotion in negative my insults and all those things. And they at least decided to address people and close groups. Even though some of the organization, but the government have a discussion as an organization that was near core business. There's a Takanga Pana, Topoma Varagana and very fresh to Batavor. I got my groups, people came to me and said, General, we are finding this arrangement not in good interest because it is not good that group is famous you cannot have it.
Amen.
And it because I when I group my clients give me an issue. I don't want to pay up the inbox or let's avoid unnecessary traffic in the groups. And I'm trying to make sure that the line of communication between parents and the school continues. If it is not interesting, so there was a time I then traveled to Zimbabwe for a funeral, and the people had been promised that the school would open, but the Banats of funeral after about 2 weeks, now this is where parents had run out of patience. This is where parents had gotten set up, and this is where some parents had started to say, we now want my refund. Okay, we have been delayed. Okay, and I think I'm informed, but it's sufficient. I think I started to put them in further my refund. So then my group stages were on my group, mine the my refund. They had been told to produce proof of your payment and your refund would be processed. And then I got a uniform, who can somebody say from your the school was willing to even refund you for the uniform and all. And this is what we have been told. But the request by those are very I think that would have a refund. If I don't know, there was no media. I said the problem. We'll wait. Okay. So then we started getting calls again from other parents. We didn't have a request that the refund, but the refund,
yeah, we are.
And this when one parent called me about it, I had promised to take it up with Madam Perky. I didn't at that stage because I was busy with other things. Job and there's one group, Rema parents. Bangawari disgruntled, who all of them needed my refunds out. And there's one group, they didn't must understand which group language is overtake my group. The Sakal time, there is what to about us with him, what to come Sangano, was the material raining away. Now, Azona. Yoba vanhu vataura vabva vanoti general havasikumbotaura kana chii vandaburiswa mugroup. Handiti vanhu vasamwa kuti toisa munhu mugroup asingatauri. Mangwana acho manje ndifanira kuenda kuzoda kupreria manje. Agent ndafollowa machati ndabona yakanzi removed. Saka ndakabva ndakuenda kune munhu akanzita agent. Handiti neakanita removed. But machata chindinawo nema-audios acho. But anoti kune uya admin yawo. Koma ndikaita mugroup mba manje remover. Usina kutanga magosa. Nyakutaura mugroup yakakosha iyi. Handiti. I think you also need to hear from me. To understand how to do it. Because I was the number of people I was my group for since so that's why people decide to remove you. I will age you the not day. But I had one group and then I did an audio which I can send you. But I told her the Shiva Majesty, latest development that I know of. And this because about that material no I think about one of the Vanachikoa patients. But I think about the and a communication breakdown. Yeah, my messages are not even what's happening with group Ragawa, is serious content. And I think we need to exercise patience for the man of Panisa. But however, that's not Panisa Kumirila. And are saying that they've been making efforts of getting married now. It will mean my chance Margarita. Let proof there is the payment to inbox one and it is or group. So that when I engage Madam Perky Omera, you know what? And our Nigina, that's why my issues in my refunds are and it is and over just and over proof and what is that in me? But I'm going to do me like approaching to it becomes even more yes and and meaningful. People say that I know that's what we are going to do. Until today, and then I'm giving information either group and out to inbox. But however, people were waiting for me because I had promised them that I am going to speak to her and find out what I have missed upstairs news. See, because we are very worried. And so I think this was last week. I think if I have a particular conversation, they put you on what I don't know conversation from group. That agents can explain almost the same as what I had explained to them. General, but you not have with agent, here with Tangatata patients. But I'm told an agent, this is my daughter that this. Don't move here, and it's Takamila 6 days, and it. So in any way out of town, the Kawana and Sandira. So since last week, I had not find time to fit and then engage Madam Perky. But remember that not even anyone who has come to me in any year is my proof. They would not have to refund because here is my receipt. They put into that refund without it issues. And it's not about fight that way. That I don't want to think about who communicate. There is this line of communication already. And this is some of people have been
earlier on you spoke to Madam Perky. And why is she not coming on live and speak to the parents? Because communication ndio kulekapa. Kunyarira kwa kaita kuvara magroup vanobvisa mari dzavo ocloser down magroup asingapi abereki feedback. Vamwe vari kuti vaitomufonera direct asingadaire. Ndo pane issue yese. Why cannot she come since nyaya yaunzwa papublic? Amire azvitaurire ega nyaya yake kuti no vabereki. Nyaya iripo yakamira yakadai. Because she told you house way spokesperson wa Perky uchu.
True. See what is I tried everything that I can to ensure that I provide a platform in order and it is right. Indeed, the issue of communication is important, and it has been lacking, and it is particularly on the part of the management of the school, and it indeed it has been lacking, and it now this is what has happened. My parents, group I think what about all response maybe from feedback from conversation I got with the management job no engaged to you. what I did when you called me earlier on my card, and I called Madam Perky and I said, this issue has now been escalated to Facebook. And I think the parents are justified. Some of them are saying they are going to wait. But those that are still disgruntled must be addressed. And I think the bone of contention really is the issue of communication and refund. And I don't know about life na because the meaning that people were someone are going to conspire with you. I believe the school, I believe your management. I've seen you running your schools in Cape Town and I'm happy. In Pretoria and I'm happy. And I'm welcoming the development in PE. And parents are justified in their issues. And whether I go online or not today, and parents are still demanding that you address them either mu group
yes.
I have spoken to one parent who add me in the group. When you add me in the group, and I also wanted to add Madam Perky, so that I speak to her in the group messages one, but you have to add the same. And this afternoon, I am now being accused of being in conspiracy as what we are calling a scam. I don't believe that the school is a scam. I just believe that there's everything to do with communication breakdown.
Yes. Yes.
I don't feel good about it. I mean, everyone might not like the organization or might not like me, General Children Jiang, but really, where I do not have anything to answer her, I don't have anything to answer. I would not have been continuing to push where there was a line of communication between the school and the parents. So then, but this was today. But I don't have anything to do with that. But the kilometers, what like. That's also a school group. Because Banata or a with people, and I spoke to Madam Perky Omera, and I said, in the midst of your busy schedule, find time and address these disgruntled parents. They want to hear from you. And she spoke to them tonight, I think, before the light. She spoke to them, and I think there are those that have raised issues against strongly feels that they want refunds. And I am told that they made arrangements. She then called me after that and she said to me, we are going to process my refunds to those that said they want my refunds. Most of them in the group came to my inbox and said they will wait. But those that said they want my refunds, we are going to process them today and for tomorrow. But I was saying, my refunds, you are so that I confirm with them.
Yeah, because right now she might not be on live, and just let me tell you, until she promised that she's going to refund today, and if she's not going to do that, I'll take it upon myself tomorrow. Department of Education, Minister of Education, tomorrow will be writing emails, and we are going to report it. Period. Period.
I can't speak about the school.
But no, I'm just telling you, because Mirai and Jadzin, because Imimi and Munotaura Nayaku Perky Hanaptora, she has my number, Tambo Tower, and Tiga, Imimi Atora name, Sakaduko Mumuzo, which is smelly, but was declared alive. Hasimakua, and Mona, because it's just one email and one phone call, Chetega, and then Chateau Shatter, but it's Gadoda.
Maybe as a parting note, I would want to say to the members of the Zimbabwe Migrant Support Network and the parents whose children had been enrolled at the school and are disgruntled for the delays that were made and for the inconveniences caused. I would like to apologize for myself, as a person who introduced them to the school, I have no doubt that the school is going to open very soon. But for the inconveniences made, having been the person who introduced them to the school, I want to apologize for the inconvenience. I'm not very and I want to apologize for that because most of them are members of our organization. But they must also know that I also want them to know that the organization has got their interest at heart. Whether they are going to continue with the school or they are going to go with their kids anywhere else, we will still continue to provide them with the support and the necessary help that they need. But I want to think about my class.
Yeah, because kusaziva kwevabereki chete hakuna mwana anobvumidzwa kudzingwa right now because ana study permit. It's not even allowed. You go to the education community, Ministry of Education state kuti mwana ungadzingwa because ari kunzi ana permit. Mwana wese has a right to education in South Africa. Saka hazvina basa kuti mwana ane permit ana permit mwana kuchikora anoenda kusaziva kwevabereki chete. Of which you are doing a very good job there.
But my policies, our people are found in a very serious predicament. You understand? Every other time. And as I say it to you right now, I would like to apologize to them. And what I can tell you guys, do not rely on you can I can tell you beyond reasonable doubt that this school is going to be opened in 3 years.
Wait, is that good for them? But what we are refusing is what we are condoning is paperwork. Because right now mudeyangari mwana wako akanga aregister pachikoro icha uchinja mwana echikoro uchinda wana chikoro chemadzimba ndikusapota vamwe vangu handiti because we always encourage kuti supporta nai handika mwana right now ngadi aipedza vamwe vari kuenda kuchikoro iye ndakagara pamba because chikoro hachina kuvhurwa hatisi kuramba kuti madelays ariko handika madelays kana ariko handiti madelays ariko chipedza ipaperwork yenyu first handika tell the parents the truth guys imbomirai kubvisa mari dzenyu mirai kutransfer vana chikoro handika paperwork kana yapera then we come back here vabereki vogara vari ready voregister vana vavo chikoro chakufunctiona.
I think it's merely I think what must have happened here is that the delays were not anticipated. Monona. Because there was a time in the groups where they were informed parents because of this delay. And I thought for the first month is going to be free, you don't pay. Because of this delay, I think they were also trying.
Exactly. Ndosakatanga tamuti yepeki ngauye pano. Ndosakatanga tamuti yepeki wacho ngauye pano achitaurire kuti vabereki vanozwisisa but haana kwanisa kuyaka. Ofuchi kutonzwa kuti abvisa page rake kuti aclose page rake.
Followers enyu nevabereki vanotidza ofiseta vaizia pairi ndoko vairegistera zvemuofisi mangu ini handiti ndoko vaitoregistera vachibvisira mari dzavo mukunzwisisa. They know that we are here to defend their interests and their rights handiti. That's why I said I actually apologize to those that have been found in a very unpleasant situation, an unfortunate situation yet delay yakadai. But in the middle of beyond reasonable doubt, be that as it may, courage chakatinakira semaZimbabwe.
Wakatorejista umwana wako here?
Mwana wangu hada kumurejista ipapo because anachora kwaari kudhara kwandiri mukomiti pachikoro ipapo. Saka school kwanza kuti abve ipapo ndaibazaitita zimseki. But iye kuti ndiri mu leadership yechikoro ichocho chekune kumwana wangu ndozvaachagariramo. Asi mudangotikiwa ane 2 years asanodzidza ipapo.
Alright, pakanaka hanzvadzi.
Mudiwa ane 2 years asanodzidza ipapo.
Aiwa, that's all right. Let's just in brief, let's say, please, Jimmy forum yacho, Jimmy Bakunda, Tungamiri forum ye Port Elizabeth. Tibatsrei Wokuti by tomorrow, Van Varda Marizavanka Marizavo, and failure to do that, Aiwa, Tinget is no choice. Tinget is not in any sense, Department of Education, Jinema conduct Musoro Chaiko, Musoro. Saka zvitombo nditoringuva kuti zoti the right channel kuti ndinopinda papi nepapi then I report it and that's it. Ndizvo zvona iwa takunzwisisa hanzvadzi. Aiwa ndinotenda hanzvadzi yangu. Sorry akwa. Sorry hanzvadzi yangu sorry. Aiwa uri murume kana tsosirika uya unongorova nechibhakira unongorova apakati. Kashomara unakuya kuzoindosa pana bashomara kana chose tare investment yako pana panobhadhira mari haungoyi kuzozvimaketa mahara kapana ungati unofunga kuti atidi mari non-profit organization yekuti sei muri kutodla ipapa pamwe makatodlawo papa parana peka pamwe makatodlawo who knows vaudze zvako vataurire
Organization is Zimbabwe Migrant Support Network. Inobata Zimbabwe ari across South Africa. Kana chiti inobata ngatichatewe kuti tinobatirana nemaZimbabweans to access, information and assistance for immigration issues, refugee issues, access to healthcare services, access to education, and assistance on labor issues, and also vital issues affecting our people in South Africa. When you feel that your rights have been infringed, when you feel that you are facing a challenge, we may not have the answers, but we will know certainly the doors to knock at and how we can help each other so that your issues are addressed and your matters are resolved. That is the sole mandate of the organization. We are a registered non-profit organization, leadership organization, full-time employed mabasa ava vanoita, but they volunteer in the organization kuti vanhu vabatsirike on labor issues, even criminal issues. Tine malawyer vakazvipira vanobatsira
mahara free of charge handiti
ayo kune vamwe vanobhadhara depending necase yako. Kune mamwe macases anobhadharwa kwoitawo mamwe asingabhadharwi. Malabor cases ese haabhadharwi, but kunoitawo macases mamwe macriminal issues, macivil matters and all anodawo mafees and all. But they will be very much negotiated because malawyers acho mazhinji acho ndevedu vemuZimbabwe who are practicing in the country.
Okay, aiwa pakanaka tapanzwisisa. Alright. Saka guys vanoda kubatsirwa zveimmigration, vanoda kubatsirwa zvakasiyana-siyana zvichemo zvenyu mumasociety umu. Batai mukomashoto nchiyangu ava mukazouya kwandiri ndichakupai nhamba dzavo mutaura navo mubatsirwa handiti. Ndatokumaketa kaini vanotovhunza apa. Vanotovhunza kuti for free vanobatwa papi kasanda kutoti ndichava pakanhamba saka unoti ndotodza kudla ndikandiroka na 5 wine nditenge chibhotoro. Ndivandiroka na 5 wine nditenge chibhotoro. Naiwe Chilton. Yesu. Kwasi kuna vamwe vanobhadha kwaka. Ngavawi vabhadhari. Nokuti kana nyaya dzavo dzozoputika panapa kati ndozongofamba nadzo vozondivenga ndandisi ndindauya nadzo. Zakaoma. Alright. Kwanzi mapermits uri kuita here? Hanzi mapermits uri kubatsira here pamapermits apa?
Discussions about the Zimbabwe exemption permits are underway between the two ministries, Zimbabwe Home Affairs and South African Home Affairs. They are they've been underway since last year. So a communication to this effect of maternal report by 2021, December, it's going to be made either end of July or mid-August.
Okay.
The previous arrangements, the whole time the announcement, we don't doubt that the payments are going to be extended. They are going to be extended without any problem, but I'm affected by come back to ask to announce to people
nyaya itoripo panyaya yemapermits apa chitoripo chako nenyaya dzecovid dziri kuitika ngavangopa vanhu mapermanent residence period.
That's what even what we are on record pushing for SIS MELLY is that EP permit a new bracket to new applicants because 298,000 makapwa 2010 thousands more that came into the country after
yes.
The Home Affairs must now open again. Allow many others. In fact, in Muplatform and I'm saying webinar here, Home Affairs and stakeholders, we were telling them that the only reason why we have undocumented Zimbabweans in South Africa is because the Home Affairs is not issuing permit and asylum to people.
All right, rikatitonzwawo kuti zviri kufamba sei.
Then vari kuita machallenges nekuextenda maasylum avo vari kuita machallenges nekuextenda maasylum avo online nevaya vasina maemail address vari mumaplazi chichi kana vakazivana vakawana namba dzangu handiti I'm providing that service for free. Munhu anofanira kuti anditumira nokupira munhu ane WhatsApp kana asina anonditumira picture yeasylum yake handiti picture chete yeasylum yake neaddress yake handiti then tovabatsira kuita extension online yeasylum yavo and they get the details. So whenever I get a chance to look office, I provide that service for
free. Handimati mahara. Handimati it's free. Handimati it's free ka. Because mati nani organize what nani profit our organization.
There's a Muslim demara titemeli.
Oh.
But don't give up to never look up. Anima asylum vasna email. Or vasna what the access to internet. That's asylum yaga
okay. Saka imimi anjadzi solution mune mapepa ari legit here in South Africa muno. Mapepa enyu akamira kwazvo. Oh, munoshandisa permit iyo dzekudze mahara idzi. Oh, ko madam venyu vane permit here madam Perky. Vane mapepa ekugara muSA.
These are personal issues I cannot ask for.
Aiwa pakanaka because I'm talking hangu based on comments that I'm seeing. Kune vanoziva munhu.
These are personal issues I cannot get into.
Tafunga kuti mamwe aiwa tatitangoti semunhu anozivana zvemedhemu nakugeneral pamwe kuda munodii munotaura. Anditi.
No, these are personal issues I cannot get into. I don't know.
All right. Aiwa pakanaka nzvadzi. Thank you very much for me.
We are providing that service for free. That's why
aiwa pakanaka hanzvadzi. Thank you very much hanzvadzi. Regai varoda kubata panapa vari kuya comment vichava panhamba vachauya ndaona vachiti tukuya vari kuya. Aiwa tingapinda PayPal yacho ndopinda kuti manga maisa. Maisa here PayPal yacho. Bye bye. Right. So guys, tuna kufonera umwe mai vane nyaya yavo panapa handika nyaya iri kuitika guys ndekudai so handizivi hanzi chikoro chavhurwa actually Mr. Shelton vari kutomirira for sure chichavhurwa but vabereki havasi kuchadi izvozvo. Vabereki vakuda mari dzavo back handitika. So Perky, we know kuti you are watching handitika, do the right thing, give their parents vari kuda mari dzavo back handitika, and then we will leave you alone. But if you don't give them their money back Perky, then you leave us with no choice except to report you to Minister of Education. Chete, give these kids these parents mari dzavo, because mari inorwadza, you know that mari inorwadza kuti vabereki vashande, vamwe vari kutoita zvokuvaka, vamwe vari kushanda paipai. Tinenge chiti vabereki vasumudzirane handitika, musumudzirane eZimbabweans. But apa pakaita mistake yekuti wakatanga kumhanya kubhadharisa vanhu mari dzemaregistration nemari dzemaschool fees, chikoro chisachave nepepa iweke kakwana. handika of which vana vaigona kungotanga kupinda muchikoro vonzi vakudzidza Department of Education yosvika yovharisa chikoro handiona. Saka you should have started by finishing all the paperwork dzako, wapedza paperwork dzako, then wozoti chikoro chavepo chamira in order, everything is there. Kuna vabereki vakangwarisa sesu private schools enyu aya tinoti tionewo zvepemiti yako iwe kuti ndotoitorawo ndinoverify kuti ndeichokwadi kana kuti mubikirwa handika because zvikoro zviri kuvharwa. Chokwadi chiripo ndechekuti zvikoro Ministry of Education iri kufamba ichivhara zvikoro mafly by nights aya zviri kuvharwa, ende mafly by nights mazhinji zvinozikama kuti ndezvemaZimbabweans nemanigerians handika zvinotozikama ndezvemaZimbabweans nemanigerians. Saka please do the right thing, give them their money back. Ngeke, I can see the information that you are talking, you know a lot. Not personally, I know. But anyway, let's see. My guys, tameni matskwana ekunyika South Africa vakuyawo platform pedu kuzoripota vanhu. Kune mukadzi akarohwa mari mu South African akarohwa bhegi nemuZimbabwe. Saka auya akaripotawo kwandiri mukadzi ushu handika. Saka tinoti bate murume ushu handiti tizoti murume uyu kose achidla bhegi rema-South Africans ravanhu achibhilivhisa vanhu apedza zvovatamba rafu ovashauda handiti. Saka toda kuzomufonera, but I think tichingoti havepo out punyaya iyi regai tifonera vabereki tinzwa kuti vari kuwirira nezvatauro here kunzi by tomorrow mari yavo inenge yavepo, kana mari yavo yavepo and then wodi voendirira mberi ne voendirira mberi nenyaya dzavo handiti ndo zvatiri kuda. Kune mushurugu akadla mari yemu South African panapa, mushurugu ikara wabuda pachena because hapana kumira mushi kuuya mushurugu kudla mari yemu South African. Asi unoda pota achidliwa South African vanombosiya varume kumusha kwavo vachida kutora zvinokuzimbabwe kune shote je varume maSouth Africans vanongotora varume nokuda kuti vane zvimagara nezvimahips handimaona vakutotadza gligwe zvinazvigwe kana ndimiwo guys. Hello, right. I think mamunzwa hanzvadzi Shelton achitaura kuti hanzi paitwa maarrangements ekuti chikoro hanzi muchapiwa mari dzenyu, handisi kuziva, hanzi ndo zvataurwa. So how comfortable are you?
Ndo zvataurwa hazvo ka, asi Peka arikuda kuita rafu kugrupu. Inini manje Peki kana wakateerera ka yangu dzosa shamwari.
Hanzi chizvo kugrupu.
Yangu dzosa, I'm fed up with you. I don't trust you. Please inbox my money as it is.
Hanzi izvo kugrupu.
Zira zvekuita kuti chiisa kuinbox kwa Shelton. I'm not stupid and nakupa Shelton.
Shelton arikukwana papi panyaya iyi. Shelton arikukwana papi panyaya ino zvataramba Shelton asi spexipose. Guys, ndakuda kuto mirai kola. Ndakutoa hasha wakuda kudoshotiwa right now. Shelton atara kuti inokwana papi panyaya iyi.
Right time either because nasi ndikutomufambira iye Peki. You are so rude, you are stubborn, you are disrespectful. You can't even apologize kuti sorry vabereki. Chita isondise mari. Zvaizvezvi ndikutoida yangu kwadoka izvezvi. Kuda kutondura.
Puwa mari yako kazi. Puwa mari yako kazi.
I told you what to do.
Puwa mari yako kazi.
Already Shelton ataura kuti haasi mumanagement yechikoro. Ndiye akuita futi zvehomwe yechikoro. Hatina kuenda tikapa Shelton mari kaisusu. Please, uda musagama uri uya. Utaure chokwadi kana uri munhu wechokwadi. We have had enough of you. Uchinyepa tichingokunyengerera kuti pamwe chikoro chinovhurwa vabereki ngatisaitei hasha, but zvaizvezvi manje ka ndamuona mukadzi uyu kuti ane mwoyo wakaoma. 2 cents dzangu dzandakashanda ndikashingirira kushanda ndipe mari yangu Peki. If you are listening, I want my money back, and I'm talking on behalf of other parents vari kutya vakawanda vabereki vari kutya kutaura nemo. Saka zvaizvezvi zvika tensions are high.
Besides that, I've got messages right now that came into my messenger as we were talking panopa live. Vari kuchema chezvinikazi kuti it's also even vana vamari dzavo they are not going to get it. Vatopinda messages andi now.
Kana Department of Education ichivhara zvikoro zvake.
Aiwa tinodzifambira nyaya dzacho. Aiwa tinodzifambira don't worry. tinodzifambira.
Perky usade kuonererwa iwewe. You came here and you sold your idea. Uchitinyepera one day. Right now why can't you come on live and clear your name? Two, why can't you open school groups to clear your name? If you're a businesswoman, if you have opened a school before, you know the procedures, you know how it goes to open a school. Now you're confused. Unza mari dzevanu mazimbabweans ari kubhadharwa as little as 100 rand a day. Mucovid muno vanhu vakashayikirwa nemabasa. You are so stupid as well. Vanhu vakashayikirwa nemabasa. You come here, you take people's money for what? For no service. For no service. For no service.
Apa mari kurwadza kuwana sei?
Makushaya mabasa kushingirira kuya kuno kuti vana vaende kuchikoro, then this is what you do to us. Yangu ndrukuida
shamba. Mari yako kazi. Kana mari sina kuya iwo kana sina puwa mari yako. Kana sina puwa mari yako mangwana dibati.
Ndrukuenda kwese kuma platform I'm gonna expose you.
Don't worry nokuenda kuma platform tinongoisa nyaya yedu ku Department of Education chete mangwana zvinoswera zvato tanga kuti wa process ko zvombonetsa just a phone call away. This life is gonna be with and then what muchesa. Then pachazobuda zvakawanda manje kana tango involve Department of Education cheda kutanga kutsvaga zvakawanda manje cheda kutanga kutsvaga kubva kumapapers ekugara muno cheda kutanga kutsvaga zvinhu zvakawanda zvatinoziva kuti some of these papers she doesn't have.
Pame this time Mwari ati ngazvibude pachena.
Yes.
She's gonna scam more and more people. So Perky must be stopped right now and right here.
Hansi, they are cultists. Mira.
I told you instruction. Which instruction?
Mira. Hansi, they were cultists. They were exposed 2 years ago by a prophet in Capricorn. Wow. Wow. That's it. Yes. Let me pin the comment. Toifambira Capricorn. Toifambira Capricorn. Continue to what Mira say. Toifambira Capricorn.
Spirit of fear, manje. Spirit of fear. I'm sorry. Ndasangana nezvakawanda mu life and she mustn't press wrong buttons. I'm sorry.
No, I think way forward is to just report here. But takatisingafa nguti shikira nepapo because we are all Zimbabweans and isusu pano we always encourage each other to ngatisapotane asapotane ukaonawo. This is the more reason even zvese inozanyaya dzemazimbabweans kubirana kwacho kwanyanyisa. Kubirana pakati pedu kwanyanyisa mazimbabweans. Kuti marana munonetsa.
Have you ever met me in person? No. Respect the little respect I have left for you. Come here. If you are clean, come here and clear your name.
Wow. Are you sending a message?
Ndamisira kuti ndikuda ma details angu ari kundudza kuti I have ndikuda mari yangu anzi I have ndakuudza my instruction ekuita ndikati yes I have sent to both your inbox and Shelton's inbox for record for further futi evidence. Usandiudzire zvekuita at first ndakambopa Shelton mari here nini kana kuti takauya kuchikoro kwako kuzokubhadhira mari. Shelton akuya ezvinezvi akuda kuti Shelton apinda papi iye agona kuvhura muromera achitaura apa.
Shelton aramba panapa ati sister ingobatsira. Shelton ati isusu taingobatsira. Aramba panapa Shelton.
Yes, he was a crowd puller. Then the rest azvina chekuita naye. The rest is Perky Omera.
This lady, she's very, very arrogant. She's very, I don't know, she's very rude. You know that sometimes you need to swallow your pride and say sorry and you know way forward. Pane pekunya sona kuti zvoda kuti ashande.
Zvekuti hanzi chikoro chiri kuvhura 5 June. Ari kuitarisa calendar kuti 5 June nderini.
5 June zvainenge iri nikirikiri, zvainenge iri Saturday. Because tinenge tiri kumafaro uko kamusa 5 June.
Ngauye pano Perky ataure chaizvo zvaanoda kutisama kutaura.
Right.
Ndichikiswe zvekumhanya inini handichikiswe zvekumhanya. I have been quiet enough ndichida kumureader mind yake but shamari takacross border iri kuti tiuye the same reason yekuti tishuvairire mhuri dzedu so ngasandichikisa ndichikisweni.
Wow. Get him. Children not sure yapana pakazviramba.
If she wants to challenge me, ngabude izvezvi apa. She can come and challenge me. I'm ready for her. If she thinks she can challenge me, ngauye ataure truth yake up. Perky Omera, I'm calling you to come here on live and clear your name.
Sure, on live she won't come, Shem. She won't come.
Why?
I don't know.
But she used the same platform, Facebook, to introduce her school. So why can't she come now?
And she wants him here. Achipariza. Pano diaries pana pakambokumbira platform kudhara diaries changotanga I gave you a platform yekuya pano achiparidza pano sandamuziva tikati aiwa vandisisi vanoita zvamwari later on pakazoinyaya now yakairi contradicting to what she did life as a pastoress. And then I was shocked the way she handled the issue. I was shocked.
That's a closed site. We are waiting for Perky Omera. Perky Omera, please come out wherever you are.
Right. My sister, let's just give me a feedback of what is going on. Tizive, kana Marisna Kubuda, don't worry, Musie. Musa chamuvunza mari yacho. Mwati mapepi imi mune mari sisenye makabada.
Most parents, they don't have a voice to say. Inina ndisikunyara rizwa na Perky.
Vabereki vanotywa wauti mazimba timakwara tongongwarira pataipa comment section apa kungongwarira kutaipa kavabereki asi kuzonyatsoti mira panzvimbo chako chakumira panzvimbo kumira panzvimbo chako kana zvati uchizvimirira kudai kana kuti wakusanganikwa neumwe unoda kurohwa muroti munhu anotiza kuti chitsoka ndibereke asi kungoumana pafacebook apa aha number 1 ndozvatiri.
There are times that you have to stand and to learn to stand for yourself, to fight. You must fight. There are instances that you must fight.
Ndizvozvo zvibhakera chaizvo kwete zvokuti kwaikudii ndizvozvo.
Ngauya ke Perky ngatouya zvake izvezvi dai rangarumwe ndangopedzerana naye ndikangona notification yekuti mari yapinda square naye.
Ndizvozvo right. Mozondiudza vachi vari kuda kupiwa mari yacho kuti zvafamba sei kana pasina tokontinya mberi negame redu. Alright, sharp. Right guys, there we go mazimbabweans. Sure saka tokumaketa isei. How do we come here and market you kuti we tengera iwo ninki vedu we ningi ari kuita business rakati musapotei kana tichida naiso opachedu. If we are doing this to one another saka tinoti zvinofamba sei munoona kuti mangwana pisira kutidzokera because indinenge ndisingazivi unhu wake matombona statement yanyogwa nangekengekewe ati Melly wakuda kudziya moto wembavha uri right unenge usingazivi ngekenge inini remember isusu hatisingazivi unenge wangoya kwandiri what is Melly I'm selling my business chakati anditika ndoti ora ndikumbira platform ndokupa platform isi ndinenge ndisingazivi. The same happened zvakamboitika kwari akambouya pano but now we are hosting a live yake futi but akambouya pano achiparidza unoona zvazvinoita mazimbabwenzi makunetsa kumabhero kumunotibira anditika kumarana manetsa ndiso atakatega tipindire zvedu isana SIS MELLY running yacho kupi zvekumwe kwese chaivo vemabhazi chaivo muri kunetsa zvakare zvinhu zvenyu zvose it's not hazvisiye saka mozvofamba sei mochema kuti vanhu havasi kutisapota saka panofambiswa sei ipapo musapoteka sei vabereki vari muvana na South Africa please ukaona mwana akudzingwa kuchikora achinzi akudzingirwa permit anditika achinzi akudzingirwa permit please you can contest that akuna mwana anobvumidzwa kudzingwa achinzi enda kumba because hauna permit andi mazvinzwa kana mwana ari pachikora tongofungwa kuenda chimgoendera mberi nechikoro andi mazviona you take it to the Department of Education hakuna mwana wese even permit or no permit zvakaannouncewa one permit or no permit mwana ane right to education saka kwanzi yei isusu tinotora certificate chero wemuno muchikoro chemuno chegovernment chena mwana akwa certificate chake saka please guys musakwatisa vabereki tipasibisa vibration. What is coming? Surprised, okay. But this is where it's typical. Let's hope she answers. Sound the bow. Boy, the sound, guys. Hello.
Good evening. Hello, Sisi. How are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
Not too bad, thank you.
No, I saw you were trying to call me. Yes. Oh, I'm on live, but I'm hearing no sound. Not good. Sound not good. Because I just wanted to call. Yes, I just wanted to call. This Lawrence here.
Yeah.
I wanted to call Lawrence here now. Let me just make sure the sound is okay or not, guys. Am I okay? Am I okay, guys? No, I'm talking.
Yeah, you're okay. I can hear you.
No, not you. Not you. I know that you and me, we can hear each other. Guys, am I okay?
All right.
Okay, they're saying I'm okay. Right. You are reporting a fellow brother of ours. Right, my sister? You've got a problem with a fellow brother of ours who's scammed you money all in the name of love, right? And he is now telling you khaki because you are asking for your money back. Tell us what happened.
Yeah. Okay, this guy, I was with him. We're in love together. So at the first time, he asked her £100 because he said the mom in Zimbabwe is sick. And then you know the situation in Zimbabwe, because for the medication, you have to buy the medication. And then I helped him with £100 first.
Okay.
And then again, he said, it was in December that time again. He said, can you please borrow me £200? I've got a problem, I'll give you back. And then I gave him again that £200. And then again, he said, okay, no, can you borrow me £100? I'll give you.
Yeah, now that is 400 pounds now. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And then he said, I'll give you back. And then I said, okay, then and then I gave him this £100. So it's £400. And then now when I ask him my money, he keep on telling me that, okay, I'll give you. I don't forget. All the time since 2018 until now. When I keep on asking about the money, keep on saying, I'll give you back, I'll give you back. And then now I said to him, okay, because he was like that kind of a person said, oh, when somebody don't want to give you something, said, oh, I love you though. I said, no, there's nothing between me and you now. The only thing that I want is my money. And then he keep on saying, okay, I'll give you the money. And then the other time, because when someone, you don't want to give you something, because I know that, because it's like that kind of person that the South Africans are like this, we think you are better than anyone, blah, blah, blah. And I keep saying, no, there's nothing between me and the South Africans, because me, I take it as we are one. There's no difference between the South Africans and the Zimbabweans. We are one.
Yes.
So he keep on doing that. Okay, I'll give you the money, and I'll give. I said, no, I can see that you don't want to give me this money. That's what I noticed. Because if you want to give me the money, we're supposed to give me money a long time ago. And then I said, you know what is going to happen now? I'm going to report. Because the other friend of mine, Rombi, he gave me your number, your everything. And then I told him that, you know what? I'm going to report. I'm going to expose you. Because I need my money. He said, I don't care. You can do whatever you want to do.
So what's the name? What is the name of this guy?
It's a Lawrence Manzini.
Lawrence Manzini. And in UK, do you know exactly where he stays?
I don't know his house, but before he was living in London. When I met him, he was living in London. And then because when you met someone, and I asked him about, are you married or whatever? First, he said, no, he's not married. The wife is in Zimbabwe. He was lying that the wife is here in England.
Okay.
He said he's in Zimbabwe. He's got a child who's in Leicester. The name is Nono. She's in Leicester in a uni. And then he said he's got another one, a boy. The boy is in Zimbabwe with a mom. And then I asked him, how can your boy is in Zimbabwe? Why you said your son is not right? He's got a problem of autism. And I said, no, because here in England it's better because the son, if he's here, at least he can get that the medication. They will look after him very well here in this country. But he didn't say that he's here. But all I found out, the wife is here and all the children are here. And then later, that's when now he told me the truth. Oh, no. Okay, let me tell you the truth. Me and my wife, we are not in good terms. We are separated, something like that.
Hey.
But the wife is here. But my wife isn't here in England, in Birmingham. But we're not in good terms. That's why I'm living here in London. And then I said, okay, then that's fine. So that's when now we had a relationship. I had a relationship with him.
For how long have you been dating?
It's 2018.
2018.
2018, in September 2018.
And when did you break up?
And then 2019.
Okay.
2019.
How old is this guy?
Because even he's 50, I think he's 51 now.
Lawrence Manzini, 51. He's behaving like
51 or 52. Yeah, something like that, 51 or 52.
Have you ever talked to the wife? Yeah. Have you talked to the wife about the matter?
I don't know her. But I heard that they are back together now. 2018, is it 2019? Yeah, I think 2019. 2019 December. Yeah, I think 2019 December, yeah. I think they were back together because I heard the rumors, the other friend of mine, she told me that, and then I said, okay, that's fine. So because I don't want to spoil it, if he's back with the wife, what's the point? So let me that's when now I just get rid of him. Okay. Although he was keep on calling me, but I told myself that no, there's no need because this guy has got his family, so what's the point? Yeah.
Right. Now I'm going to drop you, my sister, and then you can get in the comment section so that you can hear while I'm trying to get in contact with Lawrence Manzini to hear what he has to say about your money. And we are trying to speak to him so that he can give you back your money. Or else we'll just try to look for the wife and report the matter to her.
Yeah.
So I'm going to drop you now, my sister, so that I try and locate Lawrence Manzini to hear what he has to say about this matter.
Okay, to see that.
All right, thank you, sister.
That's fine.
Sure. Right. Guys, chirega ichifambire Lawrence Manzini tiwe nyaya dzacho kuti zviri kufamba sei. Okay, guys, to those who want to see Lawrence, this is Lawrence Manzini. Oh, can you see? This is Lawrence Manzini here. This is Lawrence Manzini. Can you see him? Akavata green bodoro. Dear Lawrence Manzini. Can you see him? Dear Lawrence Manzini. You can see him, Andy. Right? Dear Lawrence Manzini. So, let's do this. Guys, numbers of UK is name number magani 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4. Guys, per number there must be some mistake up per number. Wait one. Pronounce. No man, something is wrong with numbers and ndakapiwa na sister na. Asi vakandipa number dzisiridzo. Vakandipa number dzisiridzo sister na number dzisiridzo number idzi. Handidzo zvachose number idzi miraiti vanzwa. Wait. Number idzi nokuti inzwai iwo number idzi guys. 00447444189268 dzakawandisa ka number idzi. Number dzakawandisa ka idzi guys mukuzviona. Number dzakawandisa idzi. Number idzi dzakawandisa amene kana kuti ndiri wrong but dzakawandisa idzi. +44 744 7444 18. Number it right way. Me right one. Let's see if it's no good idea. Right one is so good idea. Right, dzabuda saka ndidzo. Hello, hanzvadzi muri sei? Mukutaura naSis Melly hanzvadzi. Mukutaura nevanonzi Sis Melly. Makadii? Sis Melly. Sis Melly Diaries. Amuvaziva ndizvi? Alright, hanzvadzi ndinonzi Sis Melly Diaries vekumedia. Munogona kuve yenyu musingandizivi zveshu. Munogona kuve musingandizivi zveshu. But zvisinei hanzvadzi pane ndangoti titaura newo zveneshona pakumusha kweduwo zvakanakawo zvi. Hanzvadzi pane musikana weSouth Africa panapa ari kuunza nyaya yenyu ari kucomplain about you collecting money from here and hamuna kumubhadhara. Hanzvadzi pai munhu mari yake man. Inda amada kuti munanikwe kudai pamaFacebook apo nepamaInstagram. Madam aripo ndotozosvika kutora zvimwe zvinhu kaona madam achinzwa. Apparently, according to her, she is saying you dated Jantika, my data, my details are one, Abasek Masure Kuds and Okamakaita, and then during that time when you were dating, Maka Pananoka Murudom Chiquereta or Marikuno Muenu, Maquereta or Mari, now it amounts to 400 pounds. So Hamunazo, Makonsa Kumuzu Sera Mariaki.
Do you think I'll do that in it?
I don't know you brother, I don't know. Ini chingori panjishe kuti ndinenge nchingo zvinozonyara kana ndakunzwa kuti hanzvadzi kumusha kwangu shuwa munhu mukuru akaita 751 kunzi ndizvo zvinenge zvakuitika ndoti 400 hanzvadzi mungashaya 400 mupe munhu mari yake murege kuputsa mbenyu.
Don't you think kuti ari kunyeba iwo?
I don't know hanzvadzi kuti ari kunyeba kuti because handiti kana munhu achiuya akuuya wakwauri unenge wakushaya kuti chokwadi ndisaka ndakufonera anyway. But I don't mind adding here for this call as well. Can I chiram?
Yeah, because I don't owe anyone any 400 pounds. She told me 400 pounds. She I asked her, hey, who knows that? Do you know what? I'm so surprised that look, I'm not the kind of person that does that. And I'm not the kind of person that does that. I think she's just
South Africa. But anyway, my brother, since you are saying that you don't know, these are just false allegations. No, I have the name in writing, my brother. Let me check for her. Let me check for you. Sorry, I have the name in writing. Didn't say in writing, but let me check it. Dinar.
So I said, Sinelli, can you pick up the phone? So try the facts first. Go on.
So that then we call her and ask her, but why are you doing this? Because this doesn't know you.
You spend money for each other, you check it out, each other out. Is that correct?
Oh, so apparently you are now agreeing to say that you if you tell me the truth, then I would understand.
What's your name?
SIS MELLY. Don't tell I'm going to you want. Asariti.
That's your name. Come on.
That's my name. Sakariti. I'm going to read it. Name your judge. Name your judge. Lawrence Manzini. It's so anjadzi. And mukuramba kuti ndonzisime. Tasaipa profile picture yangu iripo. Mirai. Look at my profile picture. Vuraipa profile picture pamuone kuti pane poster riripo. Rine picture yangu iripo. Mutazotira kanzi cheese taripo.
Just tell me what's your name.
SIS MELLY is my name. SIS MELLY.
So your first name is Sissy and your second name is Melly?
Yes.
Okay, your first name is Sissy?
Yes, sis.
Sis is in SIS?
Yes.
And then the second name is Melly?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I don't know. Did you tell them not on DNA? You know, there are people who are malicious out there, you know, seriously. And I'm just wondering who this person is and what you can tell us that I
so much.
How do you know?
They have a profile picture in your WhatsApp. So much.
My way. All right.
Mamu Zivaka? Do you know him? Hey, Mamu Ziva. Okay. Dear, want to tell any shaki. Saka Makakwere told him at the quarry and I'm teaching.
Until you know, like we're the relationship, that's all. And if she thinks that I owe you something because when I go out, when I take you out and then I buy drinks, I buy food, that's security. Then I'll pay. Look, I will. It's fine.
Okay, because apparently she said she once spoke to you about kuchini pamari yangu and things like that, and you said inda no report ono da ndisukupa mari.
That's okay. I'll talk to you.
Okay, please brother, let's not come back to me and that's amonu kuti zvinhu azvizonyasoita kuti vana venyu vozokona muchiningirira.
I'm not
Yeah, no, I know, brother. I'm just telling you because apapa mukati voice renyu ndikairi voice renyu rakazvira radzi chokwadi munopedza mabhebi voice renyu inini voice renyu ndo munodzipedza mari shuwa dzevasikana muchingotora zvenyu voice renyu harina kumira mushe muri kutoseka. I'm not crazy, I'm just telling you the truth. Andisikunyemera ndingokuudza yangu kuti no ndingokuudza yangu kuti voice renyu munopedza mari but anyway matimusikana muri kumufonera right now and you are giving back money so makuziva na kuti pamakaita
SIS MELLY is your name. Now I'm gonna save your name as SIS MELLY.
Save it like that because that's my name. SIS MELLY, don't SIS MELLY.
No, come on, we do better than that, yeah. So SIS MELLY, Sisi is like his sister.
Yes, that's my name. SIS MELLY, that's my name.
So your first name is Sisi?
Yes, and my surname is Melly.
Oh, yeah. Just don't be like that. What was that full name? So why don't you just tell me your full name?
I've told you my full name. I've told you my full name. That's my full name.
No, you know you're lying.
I'm not lying. All right, let's go back. All right, and okay. Can you please just do me a favor? Can you please go and speak to this ex of yours? Make arrangements to pay a beke money.
I will.
Please. Thank you. Thank you. That's all I wanted to hear. And then the next time when I call you back and she says, no, I've given my money, then you have given a man, then because you know said.
I'll sort it out, don't worry.
All right.
Just that I think I'm so surprised this is coming. Where from? South Africa?
Yes, I'm in South Africa.
And then she contacted you.
Yes.
To say that you need to contact Lawrence.
Yes, because that's what I do. That's what I do. That's my job, brother. Don't laugh.
What's the job? What's the job?
My job is to expose people like you who eat beans and you don't want to pay.
Oh my God, people like me, you're exposing people like me. So I'm already guilty, even if
But you agreed. But you agreed that you know her and you know, but apparently you are now saying that she bought drinks for you. You didn't know that it was a credit.
I said I know her. I didn't say I don't. I said I know her. But then I didn't say that I owe her anything. But then if that's why she feels that I owe her, then okay, that's fine. But I didn't say that I'm not going to... Is that it correct?
Handizoziva hangu zvakaitika nandisipo ndati ndimuedhe mukaramba kuti ndisamuedhe saka alright anzvadzi saka momubata motaura naye then handizodi kuti ndichidzoka ndichiti brother ndachinja face kusika kwatachita kwapera ngatiite zveposta.
So fucking surprised. This is the facts. It's sinking in. Oh my God, I'm getting a call from South Africa, and oh my God. Okay, all right, man.
Okay, no, thank you, and that's. I'll just check on you, kuti mataura na ere. All right.
This is so fucking surprising. Alright, bye.
Alright, bye-bye. Sleep well. Bye. Guys, mungandiregerei mungati kwazvisimeli vari kutiva zvimwe zvinongoya pano padiaries guys. Imi muri kungosekawo mucomment section guys. Saka ini moti ndiri munhu wenyama ndoregawo kuseka here. Ini ndiri munhu wenyama moti ndoregawo kuseka. Imi muri kungosekawo muri comment section uko guys. Andi mashona hanzi please pin your name, your number. Okay, pane number dzanapiwa panapa dzanyorwa mucomment section andika pane bora dziningiki number dzanapiwa pa dzandofanwa kuzofonera anditi saka let me call this lady tinzwe this lady kuti anoti kudii because apparently mamutoka china munhu ndoziva vazosenda picture paya vazoziva munhu wavo vakati taitengerana madina anditi maona baba vanikisi saka anyway guys ndagaendiseke because muri kungoseka mucomment section umu pana zvimwe zvinhu zvinosetsa pana zvinongoya tinoti munhu ka hi sisi, did you hear him talking?
No, I didn't.
But I told you to get in the comment section so that you could hear him talking. At first he denied knowing you, then after I forwarded your picture to him. That's when he said, oh, I know her, we were dating. Apparently, I didn't know that I owe her because she took me out for dinner and she paid for dinner. I didn't know that I owe her. So apparently, he said he's going to talk to you and then he'll pay you back that £400 because he didn't know that he was owing you.
So even if you take someone out for a dinner, do you think the dinner can cost for... He's a liar, that guy.
I could see, I could hear. No, he was trying to charm us on live anyway. He was trying to charm us on live and, you know, things like that. But anyway, since he said he's going to speak to you, because I told him right now we are laughing, but the next time I come back to you, I'll come back to you. I won't be laughing. I'll show you the other side. So please do the right thing. Get in contact with this lady. Give her back his, give her back £400, and then we can laugh. Hey. No, he was trying to flirt with me, guys. You know us ladies. Hey, he was trying to flirt with us. He's soft-spoken, and I don't know. Hey, so I know. I saw why. Yeah, I saw why you gave him money. Yeah.
I never even take him for dinner. Yeah, my gosh. Yeah, because what I didn't like when I said, okay, I'll expose you, and then I said, I don't care, you can do whatever you want to do, I don't care. That's why I said, okay, you don't care, so let me do it.
Okay, no, I told him that, all that, and he said, I don't know anything about that.
Even you remember the message that I sent it to you? I remember the one you said, I know I was desperate. When I was desperate, I asked you for help, and then I'll give you the money. And then when I sent you that message, it was last month. And then I said, okay, I'll wait for the month end, but he didn't even do it. I said to him, from 2018 until now, 2021, that's 400. What is 400 to you? Because you are the teacher. So you were paying 200. You said to me, we're paying 2,200 for your ex-girlfriend, for the mother, because he had a girlfriend and then they had a baby. And they said, you told me that you will pay the girlfriend for £2,000. So if you pay someone for £2,000 every month, so now you can't even pay me for 400. What is 400 and 2,000?
No, apparently he said he's going to get in touch with you. So if possible, if you still have his number, just go into his inbox. And because he was even laughing when I told him my name is Smelly, he said there's no such a name. I said, okay, fine. But anyway, that's not the case. Pay him back your money. So please go to his inbox and say, I'm here. You said you are going to refund me back my money. I am here. Can I please have the money, or else I'll go there. Then if he thinks maybe it's a joke, just give him the link of the page so that he sees. Because he said, what's your job? I said, my job is to expose people like you who goes around eating people's monies and you don't pay back. You ate beans, the beans for that lady as well. You slept with her. You took her money. You didn't pay her. Give her back her money. That's my job, to expose people like you. He was actually laughing because he thought maybe it was a joke.
That guy. Because what I don't, and the other thing why I just said, oh, let me get rid of this guy, because you know that kind of you South Africans, you think are better than anyone. But I said, no, there's nothing better than anyone, because you are the same. The South Africans and the Zimbabwean, there's no different. We are the same. So I can. And then the other thing that I didn't like to him, he said, us the South Africans and the Debelis, we are cheap. How can you say that to a man? Can say the South Africans.
Were you buying him dinner and drinks and whatnot?
I never do that, buying the dinners for him. Never. So what? Never even take him out.
Okay.
He's a liar.
So why did you say that you are cheap anyway?
Because my friend was dating his uncle. So, you know, when they are talking, because me, I heard about my friend when he said, oh, you know, uncle was telling me that Florence said, Ndebelis and the South Africans are very cheap. So that's when I was said, hey, how can you say that? Because when they are together, they can talk, they can say whatever they. So my friend was telling me those things, and my friend is a Ndebele. And then I said, how can you say that the Ndebele and the South Africans are so cheap? That's why I said, this guy is not right at all. At all.
Okay,
So
can you just do me that favor, my sister? Go to his inbox and then you give me feedback tomorrow what he said.
Yeah, I'll do that.
All right, thank you, my sister.
Okay, sweetheart. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. Guys, I can't live beans. Guys, when I can't have happy and I can't live beans. He ate your beans, guys. He ate your beans. Guys, when see, say, him. I can't wear you. I can't live beans. So I did that. And the morning, plus you slept. She slept with you. Hey, him, guys, right? Gawachi phone at one. Gawachi at one, guys. Could not phone up, but I can also call because number and the pure. Let me call pane numbers away. Parapachins and Gaku phone number is also Panama Daku phone at Daku Tower. Okay, Tinsk 0439. Right, let's try and call this one in here.
Welcome to voice.
Como no ya tana nyaya. Guys, number is the moon ya ziskubuda. Number the moon is na pure ziskubuda. Numbers and pure ziskubuda. Saka guys, muna ataruda kufona ndakapina number hapo. Can you please call Sasha? Sasha, where are you? Number zakapina hapo. Muna chonga afonika. English band ran out bong. Isibanda me I didn't know what to say. I just know good. But this also guys, I didn't nechurungu guys. Vanoti beans guys. Vanoti beans kana chine kuno kana tara chunichi. Vanoti kuku and kana beans. But it's same way kuti kuku zvakareka. Rinogona kureva futi ani hanza kufona. Okay, because ndikutra kufona iskupina. Because word kuku futika rinogona kuno kufuti kune vanotaura language kuti rinenge richiva zvima biscuits zvinobekiwa zvanimona zvima biscuits zvinenge zvibiwa saka rika paviri kune rimwe rudzi wedziro rinonyadzisira handika kune rimwe rudzi wedziro rinenge richiva chikuki exactly kana beans chibeans anima kana chibeans. So guys, we are waiting for munhu ari kunzi ane nyaya hombe ari kuda kutaura nyaya yake yenhingirikiri iripo number. The number is there. Ndakapinda number one. Hapana number. Sasha is the person calling.
Welcome to voice.
Sasha is the person calling. Is the number? Is the person calling? Kanati apasi. Angelina Okoy. Sasha munari kufona here kana kuti apasina. Because ndakamirira ka. Munari kufona here guys. Guys, munari kufona here? Guys, pane vari kufona here? Guys, Tine, Anzi, when are we following up on Lawrence? I think kana mukadzi yaya angopedza kutaura ningirikiri, angopedza kutaura nezvenyaya yake, and then totanga. Akangotipa feedback. Anzi, vari kufona here? Hanzi ndi driver we-Uber, ndichazivi what's wrong nefoni yake, but just now you were saying are ready to talk. Saka todi Sasha. Pamwari kumbopaka regai timirire tichitaura nyaya tichiseka, tichimirira kuti amire afone. Regai timirire nyaya timirire kuti afone. Mirai timirire kuti afone. Regai timbomirira tione kuti anzinonizano anoda kuendliwa nachairperson namukoma Gordon. Tichamupa kuna mukoma Gordon vouya panapa vachitaura naye nokuti hai isi tingapera kuchamiwa panapa guys, tingapera kunyengwa. Topera kunyengwa kapari malive apa. Regai tichaipa mukoma Gordon vadile naningirikiri hanzi mei pane client. Regai timirire kwanza ane ari ready kubvondora. I think pane nyaya apa guys. Apa ndo pane nyaya chaiyo chaiyo. Regai tinzwe ina handisivi. Regai tinzwe. Vedwe ini pane nyaya ndasaka nawo makuwa ari kundiremera asi makuwa una zvinhu handinibota zvinhu zvisi zvangu guys. Munoziva kuti kudi guys pane indangozviwawo zvachingutaurika amene ukoko. Kwai mukaona kuti tichimirira ningikiri Uber driver, kwai ukaona ukafonera munhu several times asingakudayire uzive kuti you are not wanted. Haudiwi handisi yangu tianga iri nyaya yei kana kuti yanga ichingoriwo motivational talk, I don't know, but kana muri pa vanhu vanita basa rekuenda kunozviisa mudhuze memunhu kuti mutsvage kutanga kutsvara makuwa, please stop it. Siyana inazvo. Handitika musaenda kunoita friendship nevanhu vokuda kutsvagana nemakuwa. Inde munoita friendship wokutsvaga mari guys. Musaita friendship wokuti munenge muchita makuwa muchida kunyaya kuti ngichakati kana kuda kunotsvaga information yekuti mangwana. Plus kana uri shamwari a true friend handiti ukana waona mumwe wako akakanganisa unomira neshamwari yako motsurana kuseri. Handiti unomira neshamwari yako momira kuseri kodi wotsiura. Hauende kufamba uchitaura zvakasiyana siyana kuma platform akawanda wanda uchidi. Musafunga kuti ma celebrities hana maghost. Vanawo maghost vanenge vachiona zvamunenge muchinyora. Inangoti ndidaridzo papa kuti ati mudiaries wangu usawani ko mudiaries wangu uri mukati mezvinyanya izvi. Andimona because ndine ndoshiya kuti ndodini kana ndikakuona uri mukati mezvinyanya. Andimona saka ma diaries please kana mukaita friendship handitika if chikurise ne ma celeb, don't go there to look for makuwa. Handiti kana nyaya, just go there, be a friend of talking mari my business and things like that. Support tororo euku makazodi nawo matororo euku. Bye avasati vauya avasati vatanga rufunga asati vatanga vainzwa asati vatanga fa asati varwa rufunga asati vadedza anzi doidei ndidedzere doidei rudona munzi wako kunoko doidoi you are wanted 2 minutes 1 second. Saka indangoti guys nditozodii ina ndizogoni kuona mudiaries wangu atunduka ndodarikauka kuti mazano ndine pamuromo guys pamuromo paya napoda kudzoka asi ndikuya kuda kutopatanga kutopatsanyira zvakare kuti pasachadzoka handimaona saka ndizogoni kuona uri ningirikiri anzi try miss network. Okay. okay kuti uri mudiaries ndongozoona ndokanda maviri matatu zvino ini ndine mistake kuti kakanda maviri matatu handichimazviona comment yangu inokurimidza kunongwa makomenti mamo ose anosiyiwa konzi tek necomment yangu munongozivawo iso maferebri kujoi kudai dedzwa kobva kwanzi nesemaferebri handimaona saka ipo papa ndambotoundugwa nhasi guys ndamboundugwa nhasi chai handimazviona ndamboundugwa masikati asi ndazoti ndapedza kundugwa paindodzokera kumacomments ndione handisini ndoga ndaisa comment yakada kudaro you sleeping okay oh gara usikuonekera uku ndotofanga kudai so kuti vakuona tikushandisa we are using this phone so that they can see you handisi maona so ndatozona dzakawanda comment dzanga dzakadaro asi yangu ndo yanodi yanokurumidza kumbangwa jimafana wamira wena ndakunanzi kuita true sisters unoti mangwana ndichakuona kuti undugwa ndikadarika zviitizvi ndotofanwa kutouya kuzoundugwa tose ipapo totofanwa kuya toundugwa tose zvipo azviti kundugwa tajaira saka kuvhundusi hakutyisi tinge tingoripota kudaro chimugwa hanimona saka guys musaenda kutsvaka makuhwa please handitika musaenda kunotsvaka makuhwa kuma-celebrities uko fambirai chimwe chete sadriver weambulance handitika ndangoti ndidarikeonepo handizogoni kuona Cynthia achiundugwa ndongodarika hazviiti guys kana dango rainoki ndomuziva stereki pacomment section ndomona achiundugwa hazvigoni kuti ndizodarika anomaona hazvigoni rufaro page akuchisina uchinokaenda uchaoni because ndazobvisa comment yangu zvenaiwe ndazobvisa comment yangu ndazoundugwa ndoudziwa chihure chose zveiwe ndikaudzwa kuti hakuna kana murume we ukuda kutonyengwa nanhingiki namabhotusherere ndikaudzwa kuti utori hure iwe hauna murume nehwana hwamutukutukutuku wandisingatozivi kwai zvaitika ndangose ndikanyora comment yangu mufunge yanga asina mbipe yenyu mufunge ende it was a pure comment yakanaka asi munozazvita mabridemaids aya anotwista handiti anotwista kwa mabhotusherere uku vaisa picture yavo nemudzimai wavo ka handiti indasvikaonda komenda ndikati 24 years a beautiful lady I'm trying to call a chabati phone. Guys, mukuninzwa here. Mukuninzwa. say guys.